Hi, it's Fia Staro. Hello, all signs. So, ano bang meron? For the next 48 hours. Okay, so, yeah, 48 hours. Siyempre, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Yeah, nagbabasa rin po yan ha, nagre-reading din po yan. And, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi po ang ating i-message. Okay? So, again, kung interesado rin pagdating sa ating mga items, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, and bracelets, no? Meron din tayo for love, okay? So, for singles, may mga kakonek, and yeah, po-provide nito kung anong kailangan sa situation, okay? And yung ating granter necklace, this is our granter necklace. So, ganyan po siya ha. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung kanya pong chain. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. So, siya yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Okay? Kahit hindi kayo nagmamanifest, siya na yung, it's like, itabi mo, ako na. O, diba? Mga ganun. Mga ganung bagay. And yung ating pang cord cut. So, siya yung magsisilbing block sa mga tatanggalin natin ha, na energy na nagpapabigat na sa sitwasyon mo, sa sitwasyon natin ha, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so enough with the talking. So, what's with you, air signs, for the next 48 hours? Let's see. Anong meron for the next 48? Okay. So, yan. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron for you? Okay, air signs. Kung anong makita natin, ha? No filter. No sugar coating. Okay. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So, this is rest. Resting. Okay, what's with that Eight of Pentacles in reverse? Seven of Cups. Pampering. Okay, so some of you sabihin nating bahay-bahay lang. 'Di ba? Bahay-bahay lang, ganyan lang. Walang masyadong gagawin. Pwedeng nod-nod ka lang ng TV, mga ganyang bagay. Ha? The Seven of Cups in reverse. May chance na sabihin nating puro sarili mo muna. For the next 48. Okay? Walang masyadong iintindihin. Yan. Ang ganda no, no? So, ano pa? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Less stress. Diba? Less stress. Eight of Swords in reverse. And the Chariot. Ito is patungkol sa mga, sabihin natin, mga gagawin nyo. Ang ganda ng energy. Ang light lang. No? It's like walang masyadong iintindihin sa mga gagawin mo sa susunod na araw. No? May chance dito na this is talking about your car, your vehicle in general. No, or maybe travel. May mga ganyang energy. May chance na walang masyadong i-stressin. Kung may lakad ka susunod na araw, walang masyadong stress ako nakikita dito. Ha? Okay, so napaka-light ng energy. Yeah, for the next 48 lang naman. The next 48, ano pang meron for you, air sign? Somebody will reach out. Pwedeng isang Cancer yan. Okay, that's specific. Hindi para sa inyo, hindi para sa lahat. Okay. So, some of you, you're releasing a Cancer yan, I think. Somebody or something na nagbibigay na ng sabihin nating stress, no? So, what's next? Five of Pentacles in reverse. Ang ganda. Pagdating sa kaperahan, napakagaan. Five of Pentacles in reverse. What's that? Kunin ko to. Death in reverse. Okay, there's changes. May konting pag-angat, ha? For the next 48 hours, may pag-angat ng pera. may pag-angat, may pag-increase. Kung dati bumibenta ka ng 5, pwedeng maging 8, maging 10. Mga ganon. Ganong energy. Okay? So, yeah, may mababago. Six of Swords. Six of Swords is talking about going from, sabihin natin, struggles to magaan. Parang ganyan yung energy niya. Ha? The Three of Swords universe. Yes. Energy ng something na hindi mo, this is so light. Sana ganyan na lang palagi. Ha? Air signs. Very good. No? Oo. Gusto natin ganito lang. No? Some of you, this is talking about healing. That's why. Kaya gumagaan yung energy ng iba sa inyo. Yeah, the Hermit. Bahay-bahay lang, puro sarili lang muna, ganyan. Isolating yung sarili, to avoid stress, to avoid drama, mga ganyan. Ina-isolate mo yung sarili mo sa hindi magandang energies, then that's nice. Okay? So, iniaalis mo yung sarili mo sa mga stress. Ang ganda. So, yun ang akin nakikita for you for the next 48 hours. Okay, so we have here Scorpio, Cancer, water sign, earth sign, air, and earth again. So, sandali lamang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so next is fire signs. Okay, so what's for you? Susunod na 48 hours. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. 48 hours. Next 48 hours for fire signs. Anong meron? The next 48. Four of Swords in reversed. What's that? Five of Swords. Okay. Ito yung pagpilit ng gusto. Ha? Meron ditong tatakas. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ha? I don't know. May chance na meron dito na ikipag-usap sa bawal. Nakausapin. Okay? Somebody will get caught. May mahuli. Kung ikaw is tatakas ka, may pupuntahan kang lugar, may makakakita sa'yo. Ha? Mga specific to. Nakikita ko. So, i-deny mo to kahit huli ka na. Pwedeng air sign ang gagawa sa'yo nito. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Merong makikipagkita. I don't know kung ano to. There's this trap. Ako naririnig. Trap. Okay? Anyway, so, yeah. Nasa iyo rin ang sisi in the end. Avoid arguments for the next 48 hours. So what else? Okay, what else for fire signs? Queen of Pentacles. What's with this Queen of Pentacles? Iba sa inyo, lalabas ng bahay kasi nakaka-stress doon sa environment na meron na nandyan ka, where you in. Okay? Lalabas ka. What's with this Queen of Pentacles? Eight of Wands. I'm getting this energy na sabihin natin parang wait lang. Meron kang something na gagawin or ibibigay sa sarili mo for the next 48. I don't know kung ano. Pwedeng meron kang bibilihin. I don't know. Pwedeng meron kang sabihin natin may bibilhin kang pagkain kasi gustong-gusto mo na yon. May ganyang energy. Yeah, simple energies lang. No? Yeah, 10 of Cups. Something na magbibigay ng kasiyahan sa'yo, I think. Something na magbibigay ng sabihin natin kaunti ang hi. Yan, parang ganon. Ngayong, yeah, for the next 48. This is like, meron din ako naririnig dito as their sign of appreciation. Meron silang ibibigay sa'yo as a sign of appreciation. Somebody will send you a message. Somebody will send you food. Oh, yeah. Okay. Meron din ditong, let's see, ano tong 8 of Wands? Para specific. Anong message to? Some of you, you'll get a message. King of Cups. Yeah. Sign of appreciation. Somebody's expressing their love for you, maybe. Will express their love for you. Meron ditong magre-reach out saying na kung ano man ang nakikita sa'yo, like that. Yeah. Na-appreciate ka ng taong to. They will hand you or they will give you something as a sign of their appreciation. May mga ganun. They like you. Some of them, they like you. So what else? For fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. May nababaitan sa'yo. Mabait ka ba, fire signs? Oh, say yes. O, diba? So, ano pa? 6 of Wands, Universe. Woo! Anong meron? The Star. Oh, this is jealousy. This is jealousy. May chance na meron kang makukuhang something and sila hindi nila makuha. Kaya nandyan yung jealous. Energy. Envy. Envious. Yeah, see strength in reverse. The Star. Let's see. What's with this, the Star? It's like, sabihin natin yung parang the spotlight is on you. Parang ganyan. Sa'yo nakatutok ang spotlight. Parang ganyan yung energy nito. What's with this, the Star? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Maraming nag-i-invest. Maraming nagiging open sa'yo. Okay? Maybe some of you, ikaw itong nabibili or mabibili or may bibilihin ka for the next 48 hours na something na pwedeng pricey, na talagang i-guilt trip ka ng iba. I-guilt trip ka nila. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. They're bitter. They're bitter. Andyan yung jealous sila. May mga taong talagang gustong makaugnayan ka, mga connect ka, mga ganyang bagay. Kaliwat kanan, o diba? Yeah. Some of you, tinitingnan ka ng tao, I don't know, like your social media platform, mga ganong bagay. Pwedeng tinitingnan ka lang nila and yeah, nandiyan na yung selos, nandiyan na I don't know if you're posting pictures na pwedeng nagpapakita ka ng ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo and yes, hindi nila kayang gawin yon. Yeah. Be careful, protect your energy. You have this evil eye na nakapaligid sa'yo. Ha? Okay, oo, wag masyadong sabihin nating open na open pagdating sa energy. Yes, hindi mang masama yung ginagawa mo, pero you have to protect your own energy. Okay, so we have here Aquarius, earth signs, fire, water, Pisces, fire, earth, and air. Another air. Okay, so next, water signs. Okay, water signs. What's for you for the next 48 hours? For the next 48, let's see anong mensahe. Gabay, prediction. Tingnan natin for the next 48. Pero syempre, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. for you, water signs. Let's see what's for you for the next 48. Four of Pentacles. The Moon. Somebody will tell their secrets. And kailangan mong itago yon. There's these secrets na pwede mong malaman for the next 48. O, diba? I don't know kung ano. Pero in general, there's these secrets or pwedeng, may makakamaritesan ka. No? Ngayong, next 48 hours. May mag-share sa'yo. May mag-share. Yeah, the Seven of Swords in reverse. Somebody, maybe, will tell you their secrets. Maybe they're dark secrets. Diba? Yeah. Diba nakaka-excite? Oo. I don't know kung ano to Meron din dito may mag-open up na they like you. Yeah, they like you. Somebody who is younger. What else? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the next 48 hours. Anong meron para sa inyo mga water signs? The Hangman in reversed. Going out. Yeah, going out. The Magician in reversed. What's with this? King of Swords. Okay. Be careful sa mga nakikita nyo through online. Be careful sa mga nakikita nyo sa labas. Okay? Meron ditong mga hindi nagiging totoo I don't know kung ano yan. Anong meron? Ano tong Magician in reversed? Ano to? Somebody will get your sabihin nating will gain your trust. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reversed. Yeah, I think kilala mo to. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong ang tawag dyan, meron kayong iiwan. Parang ganon. Okay? Ang tawag dyan, ipapaiwan mo muna, I don't know, kapitbahay mo, sa friend mo, something. I'm seeing a material thing. Okay? Pwedeng keep mo muna. Parang ganyan. I don't know why, kung anong meron. Na the Six of Pentacles in reverse, may chance na pwedeng mawala. If somebody will, sabihin nating, make utang, no? For the next 48, wag muna. Wag muna. May chance na hindi niya may balik yung hihiramin niya sa'yo. May mangungutang May mangungutang. And tiwalang-tiwala ka dito. Na ibabalik niya pero hindi niya may ibabalik. So kung gusto mong mapahiram siya, lend her or him. Lend them money kung gusto nyo. Pero kung hindi, kasi nalaman nyo na hindi nga magbabayad din, mas maganda. Mas maganda. Okay? So, what else? For you, water signs, what else? Basta kung meron kayong parang ipapaalaga muna, I don't know, papatago muna, wag muna. Oo. Hanggat maaari kayo nang magtago. Okay? Don't trust anybody for the next 48 hours. In the next 48 hours. Wag muna magtiwala. I don't know why. In general. Okay? What else? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Sun. Okay. What's with that? The Sun. I think some of you'll get a surprise. Oh. Hindi na surprise. Wala na. Sinabi ko na. Diba? Somebody. Pwedeng andyan na sila sa door nyo. Okay, kakatok na lamang. Ano yon? Pangungutang pala, no? Hindi. This is nice. Yeah. What's with this? The Sun. Yung iba sa inyo may chance na talagang lalabas ng bahay and talagang andito yung energy na pwedeng, I don't know, if this is talking about swimming, okay, swimming together with your friends, maybe going out somewhere, okay, so hanging out with your friends. What's with is the sun? 9 of Wands inversed. Yeah. There's this unexpected energy na pwedeng meron kang someone na pwedeng makikita mo. I don't know kung anong meron dyan. Meron kang biglaang makikita. Yeah, syempre kilala mo. Hindi mo inaasahan na makikita mo siya. Okay, sa isang lugar na yon, hindi ko malaman kung saan. Yeah, the 4 of Wands. Pwede may pupuntahan kang isang place. Makikita mo siya. I don't know. Pwedeng may malalaman ka about a person. 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. Sabihin natin, may magbibigay sa'yo ng sabihin natin idea or rumor. Mga ganyang bagay. What's with this 9 of Wands inversed? 8 of Pentacles. The Ace of Wands, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa, sabihin natin, sa online mo makikita, FB, mga ganyang bagay. No? Meron pa tong gustong pasabi. Hindi ko lang makita. Tandali lang. Meron ako nakikitang energy. Ito this is not for the hindi siya para sa 48 hours. Pero I'm getting this energy for the near future about company outing. Parang workout na. A company outing maybe. Or an outing in general. An outing na pwedeng pinaplano na sa ngayon. Or pinaghahandaan. Iba sa inyo, nakakita ko dito na pwedeng, lalo na if you're working online, you're a content creator, mga ganyang bagay, you'll get, sabihin natin parang mapapanood ka ng marami. No? I don't know if this is talking about may magva-viral or what. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Water signs. Okay. So, next. Next is Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, what's for you? For the next 48 hours. Earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, excuse me. For the next 48 hours, para sa mga Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, anong meron for the next 48? Okay. Queen of Wands. What's with that? 5 of Cups in reverse. I'm getting this energy of magpapagupit ng buhok. May aayusin sa katawan, may aayusin sa looks. Yeah. Okay, the 5 of Cups, this is talking about alam niyo yung energy ng moving on. Para may babaguhin sa sarili. So maybe may mag-start. Okay, meron kang magiging rule pagdating sa sarili mo. For the next 48, pwedeng yes, magiging consistent ka dun. Maybe pagdating sa figure mo, ikaw itong pupunta ka na sa gym, maybe magkakaroon ka ng schedule, pagdating sa workouts, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Yeah. So, I think there's this paggastos, no? Pagdating sa sarili mo. Yeah. Okay. This is moving on energy. So, what else for Earth signs for the next 48? The Queen of Cups, Universe. Anong meron dyan? Four of Cups. This is isolation. Isolating. Having healthy boundaries pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Yeah, Five of Wands, Universe. Parang ikaw itong parang puro na lang mas pipiliin mo muna sa bahay. Parang ganyan. Sa ngayon, ha? For the next 48. Mas pipiliin mo. I don't know if this is talking about wanting to have some rest, no? Anyway, sandali lang po, ha? Okay, pasensya na. Oo. So, Queen of Cups, Universe, Four of Cups. Meron kayong tatanggihan for the next 48 hours. Maybe an invitation. I don't know. Pero it's saying an answer na no. Okay? It's saying no. Or maybe it's an energy of may i-reject for the next 48. Merong hihindian. Okay. So, what else for Earth signs? What else for the Earth signs for the next 48? In the next 48 hours, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Commitments. What's this Nine of Pentacles in reversed? Justice. Compromise. Anyway, so this is like settling energy na dapat meron kang sabihin nating magandang schedule, oo, para maiwasan ang overlap, no? Para maiwasan yung ay hindi ako makakapunta kasi ganto ganyan. May mga ganyang energy. Baka hindi ka makapunta biglaan, like that. What's with this Nine of Pentacles in reversed? There is imbalance. King of Wands. Yeah, meron tayong problem dito, ha, pagdating sa isang fire sign. Hindi siya nagiging fair sa'yo. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng gumagawa dito. Okay? Or something, meron ka ditong pwedeng gustong i-pursue for the next 48 hours. Pero, I don't know kung susubukan mo or what. Okay, yeah. Eight of Wands University. It's like pull and push, push and pull, mga ganyong energy. So, pwedeng may delay kung ano man ito. Kung anong, eto ha, meron kayong mga naka-schedule na ngayong, for the next 48 na hindi nyo gagawin. That's general. Okay, meron na kayong mga naka-schedule na mga gagawin for the next 48 pero hindi nyo i-commit. Hindi nyo gagawin. I don't know, baka ikaw ay magnininong sa isang binyag, hindi kayo pupunta. Mga ganong energy. Or meron kayong nauuhan. Oo, eto, may nauuhan na kayo and then hindi kayo dadalo. Yes. I don't know why. Maybe gusto nyo lang talaga na hindi pumunta at hindi dumalo sa kung anuman sa mga nauuhan ninyo. Alam nyo yun, 1 minute, mag-back out. Ha? So, yun. Ang aking mga nakikita sa inyo, all signs. Yes, again. Dito na tapos ang ating reading. Thank you. Goodbye.